Kamukunji grounds in Nairobi County played host to Azimio La Umoja One Kenya Coalition mega rally, a meeting that Azimio leader Raila issued statements on claims by a whistleblower the August 9th, 2022 presidential election was allegedly rigged in favor of President William Ruto. It has, however, emerged that Raila is furious that most of members of the Azimio gave the event a wide berth, exposing rebellion within the outfit over planned rallies. A good number of high-flying politicians missed this year's Azimio first Anti-Ruto rally in Kamukunji grounds, most of which are members of the Jubilee Party. All key Jubilee MPs, led by nominated Member of Parliament Sabina Chege, skipped the rally hours after they had been hosted by President William Ruto at State House, in a move that political pundits say President William Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua have sunk their nets to leaders whom they were with in Jubilee Party before they split to form UDA Party. Mombasa Governor Abdul Samad Sharif Nasir, who has in the past few weeks met President William Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua, also missed the rally. Other Raila allies who missed the rally include ODM Deputy Leader Ali Hassan Joho, who has been out of the country since December last year, ODM National Chairman John Mbadi, former Gatanga Member of Parliament Peter Kenneth, Kotu Secretary General Francis Atwoli, Governor James Orengo of Siaya, Simba Arati of Kisii, Anyang' Nyong'o of Kisumu, former Kitui Governor Charity Ngilu also skipped the rally. KANU Chairman Gideon Moi and Jubilee Party Vice Chair David Murathe, Minority Whip Junet Mohammed, and Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga were also not at the rally. This comes as a section of leaders in Azimio, including Siaya Governor James Orengo, have continued to urge President Ruto to reach out to his arch-rival Raila and sit with him on the table of brotherhood. Davis Media, Abra News.